Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Nimbar. Today's video topic is access modifier in a Java. So we are discuss about what is access modifier in a Java. The Java access modifier are used to set the accessibility of classes, interfaces, variables, methods, constructor, and data members, and the setter method. The access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of the field, method, constructor, or class. We can change the access level of fields, constructor, methods, and classes by applying the access modifier on it. There are two types of modifiers in a Java. First is a access modifier, and second is a non-access modifier. Uh, then then the four access level are first is a visible first is a visible to package the default. No modifier are needed. Second is a visible to classes only private. Then third is a visible to the world, is public. Visible to the package, visible to package, and all subclasses is protected. Then next point is a types of access modifier. There are the four types of access modifier. First is a default, second is a private, third is a public, and fourth is a protected. Then we are discuss about uh, in brief access modifier. First is a default access modifier. It is do not use any keywords. The access level of default modifiers is only within the package. The cannot access from the outside the package. If you do not if is do not specific any access level, it will be the default access modifier. Means we do not explicitly declare the access modifier for the classes, fields, methods, etc. A variable or method declared without any access control modifier is available to any other classes in the same package. The field in interfaces are implicitly public, static, final, and the method is an interfaces are by default public. Then next type is a private access modifier. It is used private keyword. The access level of private access modifier is only within a classes. It is cannot be accessed from outside the classes. Methods, variables, and constructor that are declared private can only be the access within the declared class itself. The private access modifier is the most reactive access level. The classes interfaces cannot be private. Variables that are declared private can be accessed outside the classes if public getter method are is present in the class. Using the private access modifier is the main way that object encapsulation. It has the hides the data from the other world. Then next access modifier is a public access modifier. It is used to keyword is public. The access level of a public access modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within a class, outside the classes, within the packages, and outside the package. A class, method, constructor, interfaces, etc. Declare public can be accessed from any other classes. Therefore, fields, methods, blocks declare inside a public classes can be accessed from any classes belonging to the Java universe. Uh, However, if public classes we can trying to access in the different packages, the public classes still need to important. Then next access modifier is a protected access modifier. It is used to it is used to protected keyword. The access level of the protected access modifier is within a package and outside the package through the child class. If do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. It's all about the access modifier. Thank you.